It's 8:30 on a Sunday and my husband is flying tomorrow to Amsterdam for a work trip. He's leaving at 6:30 a.m. and he just asked me to build 3 outfits for his trip. Challenge accepted. Let's go. I needed 3 outfits for the trip, so I started looking for inspo. I chose all of them, and at the end, one of them was a total disaster. And I think this one underneath. What do you think?
No.
No? He's flying to Amsterdam, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is to check the weather. It's gonna rain. Poor guy. So he works on the creative side and he told me that he doesn't have like a big meeting or important meeting, so that's fine. It's easier for me, but he wants just to look good, you know? So let's see. Let's see what's gonna be the first outfit. So the first item that I need to show you is gonna be his coat, because he's going to wear this every single day in there. This is a wool coat from Fursac. It's a long one. I need to build every single item around this coat. So let's see. My favorite colors to wear with navy blue, it's gonna be cream and gray. So I have a few pieces here that I want to show you. First one is gonna be a cream jean from APC, which is this one. I love it. And then I don't know why, but I really want him to wear this item right here. I know it can be a little bit controversial because I know there are many people that don't like these kind of items. I really love it, and it looks amazing with this color. So I think this is gonna be the first outfit that I'm going to build. Even though it's raining there, I think it's gonna be fine. This one, what I need to find is a item that he needs to wear underneath. This one, I think it's gonna be a basic plain gray jumper. I don't know if it's gonna look good. Hopefully yes. So it's gonna be this one. This one is a wool jumper from Everlane, so it should look something like this. Yeah, I think it works. Yeah, so I have here the first outfit, and in these kind of trips what you need to build is outfits that you can mix and match. So I'm gonna pick this wool trouser from Everlane too. These are his favorite trousers ever, and I love color blocking on winter or autumn winter. So I'm gonna pick a gray jumper. I think for this one I'm gonna grab this half zip jumper. This one is from Asket, and if you check in here, the colors are matching perfectly, and this with navy, amazing. So now I'm gonna add this blue jumper. This one is from Everlane too. I think it's a very interesting tone of blue, and it's gonna look amazing with the cream and the gray trouser. Let's see. First one, cool. Second one, I think this one is my favorite. But yeah, he has another option. I think I'm going to add a corduroy navy trouser. It looks amazing with the navy blue coat. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, and I think he has a lot of options here that he can mix and match them and create different outfits. Of course, I'm gonna tell him, like, in my mind, this is outfit 1, this is outfit 2, and this is outfit 3, but he can do whatever he wants, guys. This is something that I love about fashion. The creative side of every single person can just like pop and say like, oh, this one and this one looks better. So yeah, I think we're fine. Let's just go and put everything on the carry-on. Okay.
Hello. I'm anxious.
First of all, it's gonna rain. Like 93%.
What? All of the days?
All of the days.
Okay, I didn't know that.
I know. We'll swap because this is my
Your side. I'm anxious.
Why?
No, I think I trust you, so I'm fine.
For tomorrow.
Okay, I love it.
This one.
This is one of my favorite trousers.
I know. So I'm between this one or this one. Which one do you prefer?
I think this one.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna be warm because both of them are wool, so
perfect.
should be.
So first outfit,
done.
check.
And what shoes? You're gonna pick the shoes.
Yeah, but it's gonna rain the whole day, so I think that what you need to grab is the Alberts one, or no?
No, that's gonna kill the vibe of the outfit. I think I can wear my derby shoes, the black ones.
Oh yeah, of course. I'm gonna put the
So you
shoes here.
you hadn't thought about the
Yeah,
the
of course.
shoes?
I thought about those ones or the outer one.
Oh, the outfit could be the black and white. Yeah, that could be an option.
Okay, second
Second
outfit. You can mix and match it.
white trousers. Okay.
Yeah, cream.
Cream. I mean.
We're in autumn. Then, le di para agradar.
Second outfit.
Second
cream
outfit.
trousers.
Wait, you know that you're gonna wear the navy coat, right?
Both days.
Yeah, all of the
Okay,
day.
yeah,
I
yeah.
built this outfit around the navy coat. Please don't tell me that you're not.
No. Yeah, I love that.
Okay, cool. So, I'm between this one.
Okay.
No, sorry. This trouser is gonna go with this one.
Okay, that's a bit of a statement piece.
And I think this one underneath. What do you think?
No.
No?
No.
What you're gonna wear with that?
Maybe like an Oxford shirt?
No, but it looks like very spring.
Really?
Yeah, springy. I don't know how to say it.
A white t-shirt?
No. Do you want to give it a try?
Right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Guys, he's gonna try it. Or wait, can be this with this, and then the navy coat.
I never wear this.
I know,
this
and I
sweater.
love it.
Yeah.
Well, you can give
Yeah.
it to me. I'm gonna wear the.
You've worn it before.
Which one do you prefer? Try both.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it with a white t-shirt, but I probably need to iron it. But
Okay, let's go. Off you go. Bye bye.
okay, I'm loving
mean-
it. I'm loving it.
I mean.
It looks so good.
Oh,
And
sorry,
which
guys.
which shoes?
Wait, put this on.
No.
Please, I want to see how it looks.
This is like too much wool.
No.
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 Yeah. I haven't seen it, but I
No, because look.
I
here.
can already
But
tell that I
I
don't
really
like it.
like this with this. So, do you really want to wear this one? Do you prefer this one alone?
So this is like if I wear just this jumper. Yeah. If I wear this jumper alone, I think it's like the easiest thing to do.
I know.
If I get to style this, that's gonna be like, yeah,
I know,
a great
that's
outfit.
why.
I think like
So
it's
you want
harder to pull off, but if I do it, if you do it, because you're my stylist for this trip,
So, do you want me to find something that you can wear with this
yeah, and these trousers,
and those trousers?
yeah, and
Cool.
think about the shoes as well.
I know the shoes is easy. Do you prefer that one or this one?
Let's give
Give
this
it a
a
try.
And how cold is it going to be?
It says 16, but it
16. That's
wait,
hot.
no, it says 16, but it's gonna feel like 10 or something like
So
that.
16 is the highest.
Yeah, this looks amazing. Just put a little bit so they can see you. Please don't touch it. So yeah,
I like it.
cool. So this is one. We already have the other one too. Do you want me to?
Style that vest.
Yeah.
Yeah,
because
why not?
The other one will be this one
Okay,
with this vest,
I like that.
or it can be this one.
So that's again an easy
An
one, like a comfortable one for me. Not easy. That's like a comfortable one, like easy for me to wear.
Okay.
Like less out of my comfort zone. Is
Okay.
what I'm trying to say.
So give me like 2 minutes, and I'm gonna find
Okay,
something.
let's do
Cool.
it. Okay, we got the 3 outfits ready, including the one that I'll wear tomorrow to the airport.
But this one, the one we
Just discussed.
discussed, it's gonna be
Secret.
secret. Which day are you gonna wear it?
I think the 3rd one.
So they need to wait.
Yeah, you gotta watch it till the end, I guess.
Okay.
But it's gonna be fun. Or I might wear it on Tuesday, so the 2nd day.
You need to film yourself.
Yeah, I'll
Please.
promise.
Pinky promise.
Pinky promise.
Okay, let's go because it's late now.
Yeah, let's get it ready. Nice. Thank you. Done. Okay, so I forgot to do an outfit check for Annie's video because I came rushing through the airport and then over to the office and I forgot. So I'm doing it now. This is the fit check. So day one, my derby shoes, these wool trousers, a half zip sweater, and then my coat that I'll be wearing every day, and I'll do another take so you can see the full outfit. I also forgot to bring a deodorant, go to a supermarket, buy some. Hopefully I'll find one open, but first I need to have dinner because I haven't eaten anything in like 6 or 7 hours, so I'm starving. I ordered some food and that's it. I'm doing this vlog because Annie asked me to, but this is a little bit outside of my comfort zone. But yeah, let me show you. Okay, this is day 2. Here's the outfit that Annie put together for me. She had picked another sweater, which is this color, but I just didn't think that it looked good with the shoes, so I'm glad that she packed this sweater instead, which is literally the same one, but like on a charcoal color. So yeah, here's the fit, and with the coat, I'll show you the full thing in just a second. Okay, so here's the outfit for the 3rd day. This was the secret outfit, but I don't know. I feel like I like it, but it's a little bit outside of my comfort zone, so I might not, hold on. I feel it's a little bit outside of my comfort zone, so I might not do it. I think I'm gonna switch for the half zip sweater. So yeah, but let me show you the full thing. Okay, so here's the change that I did. I feel like this is more on my comfort zone, like within my comfort zone. The other ones, I don't know. Yeah, I like it, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear it for the office. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it for later in like the season, so like towards the end of October. But let me show you how this looks. Sorry, Annie. I guess put in the comments if you prefer the other one, like the one that Annie picked for me, or this one. Yeah, let us know. And that's it from me from Amsterdam.